Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have MySQL installed and a user created. Now connect. Use MySQL user host and enter the password when prompted. Once connected, run Show Databases to confirm access. Make sure to set the appropriate character set and collation for your project early because changing later can be tedious. Also, create a working schema with Create Database MyDB and use MyDB, so subsequent commands apply to the right context. This gets you ready to create objects. You now design and instantiate the core tables. Start by creating tables with explicit data types and primary keys so queries perform predictably. When appropriate, add indexes on columns used for filtering and join. That speeds reads. Once table structures exist, insert seed data using insert for small sets or load data in file for large CSVs. Make sure to wrap multi-step changes in transactions with start transaction. Commit, so you can roll back if something fails. This keeps schema and data consistent. You finish by running queries and ensuring reliability. Use select and explain to inspect execution plans. Once done, add or adjust indexes and rewrite joins for performance. Backup with Mysql dump or logical exports and automate backups with cron to avoid data loss. If something goes wrong, check the MySQL error log and run Show Process List to find blocking queries and use rollback when necessary. Make sure to verify backups by restoring to a test instance. That confirms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.